In this video, we transform your artwork into perfectly cut sticker sheets. I'm going to show you the illustrating process on Procreate, Cricut design process, and the cutting process. Not only are we going to learn how to make them, I've searched up the 7 most common issues that people face, like misaligned cuts, registration errors, backing carryover, which I'll go through all these common issues, why they happen, and how to fix them. I'll cover these near the end, so you'll have all the information in one video for your convenience. Everything starts on my iPad in Procreate. I've already finished illustrating designs. I usually make all my stickers as separate layers within Procreate, but export them as one transparent background PNG so they're easy to place within the Cricut design space. Next, I open the Cricut design space on my computer. I start a new project and upload the PNG files for stickers. I also upload a separate PNG for the background of the sticker sheet, which is my grey background with white squares. My logo is at the top and my social media handles at the bottom. I upload the background first and move it into the corner of the screen. Then I upload the stickers and move them onto the background sheet. I will move the stickers and size them to fit the sheet the way I want them to be printed. I group the background sheet and the stickers so that they don't move. I then rotate the sticker sheet 270 degrees to resize and fit another sticker sheet on the mat or sticker paper. I then copy and paste the sticker sheet and place it below the original sheet. I select both sheets and resize them to 16 centimeters. I make sure nothing extends outside the printable area. Again, size matters. If the stickers are too big or overlap the registration marks, the Cricut won't be able to read the sheet. Now here's a crucial step. I select all layers and click Attach. This tells the design space to keep the stickers in the exact positions you arrange them when cutting. Without attaching, the machine could rearrange them or cut them incorrectly. After attaching, the layers act as one single printable and cut object. I then hit Make or Make It. A new page will come up. I click Send to Printer. In this pop-up, I deselect Add Bleed and turn on Use System dialog. This allows us to change the settings instead of using the default printer settings. We are checking the paper type, changing it to glossy or matte sticker paper. We also check which tray the paper is going to be used from. Make sure it's printing on the best quality possible. Next, we are selecting the cut settings. You can search for the type of material. You can choose washi tape or adhesive sticker paper. You can also bookmark the material and it will show up every time you open the Cricut design space. When we are happy, we press Print, and the design space sends the project to my printer. I take the printed sheet and align it carefully to match the cut area exactly on the left-hand corner. It's super important that your sticker sheet lies flat. If your mat's adhesive is not sticky enough, use tape on the edges. I load the mat into the Cricut Explore 3. Make sure the mat sits under the notches. Press the blinking load button Then the Cricut will begin by scanning the registration marks on the sheet. These tiny black marks tell the machine where to cut each sticker precisely. If the marks aren't detected, it won't cut. Then press the blinking start button. After scanning, the machine starts the print then cut process. You'll see the blade move carefully alongside each sticker outline. This is called a kiss cut, which cuts only through one sticker layer and leaves the background intact. When the cut is complete, I remove the mat from the machine. I peel the mat away from the sticker sheet, not the other way around. This prevents curling. Then I check the cut. If a sticker didn't cut all the way, I can repeat the cut using the same mat. If the blade cut is too deep, I'll adjust the pressure in the design space and try again. I trim the edges of the sheet with a guillotine cutter to make it neat and uniform. If you want rounded edges, you can round the corners by using a corner punch. I usually slip each sheet into a clear cello bag. Now we'll move on to the issues: registration and alignment errors. This is when your machine fails to read the black registration box or cuts in the wrong place. Why this happens? Glossy or reflective sticker materials interfere with the sensor. The sheet is not placed correctly at the top left of the mat, or it's shifting. The machine calibration is off. Environmental lighting or glare interfering with the sensors. What do? Use matte or less reflective sticker paper if possible. Make sure the sheet is aligned exactly as the preview, top left corner of the mat. Calibrate your machine. Go into the design space, calibration, print then cut, and test until the cut matches the print. If using a glossy paper, consider covering the registration marks with a clear matte tape to reduce reflection, or shut the lid to reduce stray light. Print a small test to verify alignment before using a full sheet. Not cutting all the way through or too shallow cuts. Sticker backing is still attached or parts aren't fully separated. Why this happens? Material thickness is greater than preset selected, laminated sheet or heavy sticker paper, and pressure is too low. The blade is dull or not the correct type. The mat isn't holding the material flat, causing edges to lift during the cut. What to do? Select the thicker material preset in design space, like cardstock or custom, and increase the pressure or set multiple passes. Replace the blade or verify it's a fine point or whatever may be recommended. Ensure the sheet is firmly stuck to the mat with no lifting edges. Use tape if the edges are lifting. Run a test cut first. Check overall thickness and adhesion before a full run. Cutting too deep or cutting into the backing or the mat. The cutter goes beyond the sticker backing or even into the matte surface. Why it happens? Material setting selected is for a heavier matte material than used, or the pressure could be too high. The sticker, paper or backing is thinner than assumed, so excessive pressure causes damage. What to do? Lower the pressure and or choose a lighter material in the settings. Make sure you understand whether you want a kiss cut through the sticker but not the backing, or a die cut through the backing as well. After setting, test a small area to check the cut depth before using a full sheet. Sticker paper peeling off the mat or the material is shifting. After printing, you load in the mat and it moves or loses alignment. Matte adhesive is worn unevenly or not clean, so the sheet lifts during cutting. The sheet is not stuck flat or has bubbles or wrinkles. Loading the mat not aligned into the machine properly, causing it to shift. What to do? Use a light grip mat for printable sticker sheets. Less tack than heavy material mats. Clean the mat. Dust and stray fibers reduce adhesion. Press the sheet firmly onto the mat, especially the corners and edges. Load the mat carefully. Ensure it's snug, aligned under the rollers. After cutting, remove the sheet by flipping the mat over and peeling the mat away from the sheet, rather than pulling the sheet off the mat. This is to reduce curling and tearing. Glossy or laminated materials causing issues. Using lamination or glossy sticker paper adds extra steps and potential problems. Why it happens. Reflective surfaces interfere with sensors. Laminate adds thickness, so pressure cutting settings may be off. Air bubbles or wrinkles under laminate make cuts inconsistent. What to do? Opt for matte or less reflective finish if possible. If laminating, apply the laminate slowly and smoothly, using a scraper tool to remove bubbles. After lamination, adjust your material settings, thicker material, or maybe increase the pressure or have 2 passes. Test cut to ensure the cut depth is correct for laminate. Printer quality and sizing issues. Printing off-center, image quality is poor, or the size of the print doesn't match the cut lines. Why it happens. Printer setting using fit to page or scaling which alters the size. Bleed or border settings in the design space is not configured correctly, leading to fuzzy edges or unexpected cut lines. Sheet inserted into printer wrong side or orientation is incorrect. What to do? In the print dialog, set scaling to 100%, the actual size. Turn off fit to page. Use bleed if you want a white border to accommodate slight miscuts, or turn it off if you want a crisp edge. Print a test page on plain paper first to verify alignment in orientation and size. Make sure your design aligns with the registration marks, the black box, in the design space. And the last one, machine compatibility limitations. Not all machines or settings behave the same. The Cricut Joy, the original model, cannot scan the registration marks required for print then cut, so sticker workflows will be limited. As you move to thicker materials or laminates, you may need to use a more advanced machine, like the Maker or the Explore, or manual settings. And that's how you design and make sticker sheets, as well as the most common issues when making sticker sheets. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!